Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor has sent me a free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get right to it, shall we? Today, I've been sent an open knot undercoat de-shedding by Decyam, and it is I have two puppies, and shedding is always a problem. So let's give it a shot here. Let's open this tool out and see what we got here. So we've got two shedding tools up front. One is more of a fine tooth here, and one is more open. I don't know if you can see that right there. One's more fine and one's more open. And then for very fine fur, we've got this brush here. So I'm going to bring one of my puppies over here, and we're going to give it a shot, shall we? So we've got Riley here, and I'm going to try the wider bristle shedding tool on him. And Riley usually loves being brushed. So I don't know if you can see that fur coming off of him or not, but there's lots of fur in that brush, and we're out in the wind here, and we're getting lots of fur off of Riley here. We'll just let that. We're out at a campground. I'm a full-time RVer, and this is really working really well. I don't know if you can see that fur coming off of Riley, and he's enjoying this. Normally dogs really enjoy de-shedding tools because it kind of gives them a good massage. You can see that he's not running away or anything. It feels good, doesn't it, buddy? Does that feel good? Yeah. And the other thing about de-shedding tools, or shedding tools, I don't know, de-shedding is probably a bad word, not a correct word. Is it keeps that fur out of your house too. So now let's do the small side. See if that picks up even more. And it makes his coat nice and shiny. He's gonna be a handsome boy, handsome boy. So then, I don't know if this might be too thin for him to pick up anything. Yeah, his hair is a little coarser for that. So that's really not going to work on his hair. It's too thick for him. I mean, it picked up some fur, but I think the bigger tools on him are really nice. Works great for him. So I give this tool 2 thumbs up.